Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and Movers Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. Packers and Movers is a firm that support to move your household goods without hassle-free and damages. If you switch the new house, Packers and Movers are the best way to transport the belonging items with safety and care. Best professional Packers and Movers Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. You will want a moving company you can depend on to get you there. Hiring the best moving company will provide you with best packers and movers who will help you get your home moved from one place to another. Relocation Services Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. These professional packers and movers ensure to provide hassle-free home relocation services to their customers. They have experience in moving the household goods and vehicles of their customers. Car Transport Services by Car Carrier Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. If you're looking for a reliable service provider at a reasonable price, then you can hire packers and movers through portals. Your available services of a reliable car moving company in your region. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. The only thing you can do with any bike shipper is to have your packing done in front of you. Ask them to pack every piece of the bike with bubble wrap, a lot of cloth and paper and anything. Commercial and Household Goods Luggage Transport Services Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. Packers are people who take the loose household items and wrap them and pack them into shipping boxes to be ready to move. They help you in moving and shifting. Commercial Complex Office Factory Industrial Relocation Shifting Solution Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. Managing complex commercial moves can be exhausting and time-consuming nonetheless. Mismanaging a commercial move can lead to expanding timetables, downtime, lost productivity. Local transporter services within city interstate and intrastate transportation, Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. All local packers and movers enlisted in this portal are pre-verified and trusted by the Assure Shift reference portal. The simplest way is to submit your moving needs and take references from the portal. Pet Relocation Services by Chartered Special Vehicle Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. The knowledgeable staff at your selected pet relocation partner simplifies this process so you can focus on the many other things involved in your domestic or international relocation. Goods storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. Warehousing is the process of storing physical inventory for sale or distribution. Warehouses are used by all different types of businesses which need to temporarily store products to other locations. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. Transit insurance is important to secure goods transit from one place to another. It caters to damage and loss caused to goods that are being carried by an individual. Contact us on www.cargo.in, shifting@cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com and mobile number 9405410002.